Hello there, welcome to my channel. I am Tish. I'm a wife, mom, leader over 40, navigating life, career, and purpose. Here I document that via vlogs, outfits of the days, and sometimes we sit down and we chit chat. No rhyme or rhythm, just lifestyle from my point of view. Today's video is just going to be going about today. I started off with doing some office work, and now I am getting ready to pack up, grab a quick lunch, and I need to run some errands for my husband. And I also need some of my favorite lipstick because I'm running low. It's the Lip Bar Unimpressed is the color, and I'm just gonna go and see if I can pick that up. And if time permits, I want to go to Costco because I did see some pajamas on TikTok about some cute printed pajamas. I don't wear pajamas to bed, like the long sleeve. I wear them to lounge around the house when I want to get out of my clothes for the day. So just a little bit of ripping and running, and yes girl, you're coming. I am also on a journey currently of posting 100 videos to YouTube for 100 days, and I started January 1 and it is now well into February. So I am proud of where I've gone so far. Sometimes it gets a little hard because, you know, life happens, you get tired, your day goes by, you know, with all of the happenings in it, and it's like I still have to record, I have to edit, and then I have to upload. Recording is really not the issue. The editing can be the issue depending on how long it takes to edit a video. So that's why I try to keep them short, because usually I'm doing this at the end of the day, after everybody has settled, and it takes me into, you know, the very late night to make sure that a video gets up. Could I batch? Possibly, yes, I could batch. But I am not a full-time content creator, and I don't have editors and things like that. It's solely me, and it's me getting it in when my work schedule and my family schedule permits. All that to say, I'm on a journey to creating 100 videos in 100 days. I'm pushing myself, and I'm really am pushing myself. So if you have a challenge that you would like to put on yourself, go for it. Go for it. Why not? And if not now, when? It's time to go. I got Charlie in the living room. Her favorite show, one of my favorite shows too, is Little House on the Prairie. So that is playing to keep her company. My lunch today was 82 cents because I redeemed some of my rewards. I just let them stack, forget about them, but today I was like, I got time today. 82 cents for my spicy chicken sandwich meal. Awesome. It's a little gloomy outdoors and may possibly rain, but I am still coming to the car wash because, and if I have to come every day, I will. The salt from the preventative whatever they used to put on the streets, you know, it gets up on your vehicle, it looks dusty and rusty, and I rather it not build up because it was on my car for a very long time, over a week. So I am getting my car washed for the second time. I did it yesterday to get a lot of it off, and then today it is, hold on. Today it's you know, a little bit on there, so I'm just going to You know, this was my first time in Target in a very long time, and my main goal was to go in there and get the lip bar, my favorite lipstick that I use. And I said, you know, since I'm in here, let me walk around. Maybe they've surprised me. It is Black History Month, and I just really wanted to see what type of items were they supporting and making available in here. And at one point, I was so excited to come to Target. Like, I wanted, if there was a Target nearby, I was going to go. My husband got so sick and tired of hearing about Target. But after 2025, and they made their whole shift, and it is completely different. Not just in supporting DEI initiatives, the clothing in itself. Walmart is my go-to now. Like, I'm not going to pass up a Walmart, and I'm one that did not want to step a foot in Walmart. And if I did, I went early in the morning or I went late in the evening. But I don't, you know, things have changed completely. But, you know, I think Target's decor is still, but I've never really been a big Target decor shopper. I would normally just come for some of the beauty items and looking at the clothing and shoes, because I thought, you know, the quality was good. I don't know. And then I thought I was gonna buy a sweater. It had a pretty face on it with big hair, and it covered the entire sweatshirt. I was going to get that for my daughter, but I just felt like the size wasn't going to be right. And then I looked at a pair of gold, I'm a sucker for a gold pair of mesh sandals, and then they were $45. And I'm thinking, you know, once upon a time, I wouldn't have even given it a thought. I would have purchased them. Maybe I'll get them later, but I ended up just getting my Tarte concealer and the lip bar lipstick. I went in there to get what I needed to get, and I put the other things back. That's it. That's all. That's my Target review. I mean, do with that what you will. It's a few hours later, and I did find just a few things. I went to J. Crew Factory, and I went straight to their clearance section. And this skirt I have been eyeballing ever since they put it out, and I'm going to try it on because it is a size larger than what I typically wear. But if it works and I can pull it off, I think that this would be cute for you know what I'm trying to say, for the upcoming fall holiday season in 2026. I can see this being paired with a mock neck, maybe a chambray button down and some boots. I don't know, but I am going to try it on to see if it'll be a big difference. I love the color tartan. And then another larger size, but you know, it was on sale, y'all. It's the same. It's you know, a nice beautiful hunter green sweater, and I like the detail here at the neckline. It's a sweater dress. I'm sorry, I think I just said sweater, but it's a sweater dress that I can, if I can fit it and don't have to take it back, that's something that I can wear now, and even with a belt. And let's see what else. Another find that I may have to take back depending, I may can pull off this. I got this in an extra large. All of this is in an extra large. But a large fits comfortably on me, but I pictured that I could possibly wear this by itself or put a cardigan on over it or around the shoulders. But it has these puff sleeves with the detail at the top. This was about 12, let's see, it was $12, maybe $12.88, but it's called a elbow puff top. And you can't see the, I don't think you can see the colors, but it's a navy. So I think that will look good with some navy pants, a little brown woven shoes going into spring. And y'all, I am on the hunt for a cropped trench coat. I envisioned this outfit. I think that would be cute. Then I did go to Target and I purchased my favorite lip color, which is Unimpressed. And this is the concealer that I use from Tarte. It is Tan Deep Honey. That is all that I purchased today. And because it's almost at that time, I stocked up for the rest of the week on my candy. So let's just hope I don't eat this in 2 days. But that's my haul. Friend, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I love having you here, and I'm getting ready to try these clothes on to see if I can keep them or if I need to take them back. You know what I'm going to ask you to do? Subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video. Tell me where you're watching from down in the comment area, and come along with me on my journey to create 100 videos on YouTube for 100 days. I thank you so much, and until the next video, have a great day. Bye.